Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to start using Semrush for beginners in 2023. First of all guys, I will need you to do is make sure to watch this video from now till the end. Don't skip anything in it so you don't miss anything from this video. And of course, if you did that, you will not face any problems or error. And if you did face some of them, please make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I will make sure to answer each one of your comments, guys, to make sure that you are having the best quality videos possible. So, guys, without any further talking, let's start with this video by going to Semrush. So, here we go. Go to Semrush, and here we go. So, let me just find like the actual website in English. Semrush. Here we go. English, and here it is. So here we go now. Now what you need to do guys is click on sign up. So let's click on sign up, and all you need to do is create your account. So either you can create it with your Gmail account or just email and then password. So I'm going to log in with my Gmail. Here we go. And here we are. So this is my account and here I am. So now let's answer some questions. Let's customize your flow. So how long have you been working with SEO? Let's say that we are working less than 6 months. Do you mind telling us how much you consider spending on an SEO tool per month? I'm going to use only free tools. Which of the following describes you, your company? In-house, agency, startup, and others. So let's say in-house. And here from here guys you can choose like one of their trials. So there is the pro one and there is the Kuru one. The pro one is about 190.95 per month, and the other one which is 229.95 per month. They have both a lot of features, but of course the more expensive one has better features than the other one. Now let's skip trail and let's get to our account. So here choose your area of interest: SEO, content marketing, market research, advertising, social media, or agency solutions. So let's try with content marketing or SEO. So I'm going with this one. And here we are. So now we can create effective content that clicks with your customers. So here, if you clicked in here to get your free trial, you can get it for free. As you can see here, you just have to put your card number, month, year, CVC, and the card holder, and you can try it for free. So for me, I will just keep showing you guys without actually getting it. So here guys, if you click here, you will find all of these SEO dashboard. Here you can create like a new project of yours. So here let's enter domain, so something like that. Here we go, and basically now it will like start making stuff. So here you quickly see the changes that have in key organic and paid traffic metrics, and track authority score of your competitors. So here you can put your competitor name and like add here like your competitor. Click here and you will find all of his detailed analytics. So here you can domain overview, so you can have the analytics of your domain, you can have the traffic analytics of your domain, organic research, so you can see like the research, how many people are researching for your domain. Here you can see the keyword gap between you and the competitors. And here for example, let's try for example like a random Facebook for example, or not Facebook, let's try for example hespress.com. And here um let's try for example BuzzFeed. So I'm going with this website and try it here. Now let's compare. So let's compare these two, and as you can see, Hespress has only 90k, and this one has like 4.2 keyword overlap. So as you can see, here are the like the top opportunities. OnlyFans, as you can see, 11 million, Airbnb 9 million, Facebook Marketplace 7 million, Disney Plus 6 million, and Wayfair is 6 million. So here you can find the other like keywords that you might find in Hespress, etc. So anyway, these are the keywords that you might find. Anyway, here guys, if you went to backlink gap, you will find like the backlink gap between, so you can make like the difference between these two. So here is Adobe, Amazon, Britannica. So these are like the backlinks that will eventually take you to one of these pages. Here you can find the keyword overview. So You can go through SEO here, you can go to local SEO, advertising here, you can make advertising dashboard, you can see your domain overview, you can like make huge things with that. So here for example, let's try BuzzFeed and click here to search. You will find here your position, your keyword, traffic cost, everything. You may have found this in here as long as you give the opportunity for this website to actually make and search for it. So let's try another website because I think BuzzFeed doesn't allow us. So let's try, for example, hispress.com and let's see if it allows. Alright, this one is not in the USA, that's why it doesn't appear, but overall you will be able to see everything from here. Here the advertising, here the social media. So the social media here will allow you to like do all of these things. I'll cover rivals winning strategy, create and distribute content that brings engagement, monitor incoming messages and provide quick responses, get analytic insights and improve your results. So all of these things you will get by subscribing here for Eve like $0 for 7 days. You can get the opportunity to get all of these things for free. So here you can get social poster. So basically as you can see here, if I clicked on it, it is like its name, so it will be positive for us. This is the social tracker, it will track our social media. Here the social analytic, it will make analytics for our social media. Finally here there is the content marketing. So here they will give you topic research, SEO content template, SEO writing assistant and marketing calendar and post tracking, and of course finally the content audit. So it will help you with all of these things. And trust me, guys, if you're like a blogger or like a social media, something like that, article, website, you really need this tool. It is really important to have, as you can see, it helps you upgrade your SEO, your advertising, your social media engagement, and your content marketing. It can make it so much better and develop it to the highest level possible. Here's the SEO content template. You can get it from here. You can get the writing assistant from here, so you can just type the keywords and it will start analyzing your text and so go on. As you can see here, I can just copy, for example, a text. Let's go to BuzzFeed. Let's try it out. Let's copy the text from here. So here it is, and what I'm going to do is copy these things, paste it over here, and here I'm going to do is get recommendation. So enter keyword. So celebrity and get recommendation. So let's see what's gonna do for us. Prepare recommendations, and yeah, it can take some time. It can take like 0 seconds, it can take a couple minutes, it can take a couple seconds, but overall it will help you by the end, and this is what is the most important for us. And by the end, when you finish all of that, you can get your report from here, get your notes and everything. As you can see here, this is like really poor by SEO readability and originality and tone of voice. Everything is here is bad, so they can actually upgrade it for you if you had the premium version. So I guess that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you guys for watching.